God, I thank you for life. Giving thanks for giving thanks. Amacon. When life have you down and you're out and you're down for the count, brother still go and roll out it. God bless the food and your mouth going in, coming out and you're still not hungry. Jaja in my deepest struggles, you are the sweetest. Yo man, I go and hold it. Real rebel, bad getting man, I go and hold it. In my deepest struggles, you are the sweetest. Man, I go and hold it. Real rebel, bad getting man, I go and hold it. Life teach me say never feel hype. Blunt in a mouth, we never feel light. Me count money and he ever feel right. When the boy defeated you say I never tonight. I can't stop rocking tonight. Have a new girl I never cut it tonight. Out this spend couple cheddar tonight. Come me up on a leader tonight. Jaja in my deepest struggles, you are the sweetest. Yo man, I go and hold it. Real rebel, bad getting man, I go and hold it. Just tell them I'm Amacon. Baby, we not live. I'll travel to the forest. Find you made me high. Up to the sky. The way I'm feeling, I wanna fly. You make me super califragilistic. I floating optimistic. Confident I'm up to mischief. But for you they say I'm a misfit. Sweet aroma, the blunt and the...
Who is Amacon?
Evil Carnival again. Amacon, the lyrical one. Man, we have a belly full of lyrics. Everything what we sing about, you know, comes from right here, so.
Your name a develop a buzz in the street. People now start playing your music. You finally get the recognition what you deserve. How you feel about that?
You know what I mean? I feel good. I mean, give thanks, because a long time we are trying. You know what I mean? But nothing before the time. Yeah, patience.
Where can people find you on social media?
Alright, you can find Amacon on YouTube first off. You know what I mean? You can also find me on Facebook at Amacon Music or at J Prime. You can also find me on Instagram at Amacon Bad Getting or Amacon Music as well.
What inspires you to do music?
Alright, music, what inspire me? Put it away. I have a next door neighbor where usually, you know, play a sound system. I think the sound did name Rolex. You know what I mean? And he was the selector. His name Eurostar and now them call him Chester Famous them time there. You know what I mean? And we usually play around the turntable, you know what I mean? And try to mix songs. Yeah. Like, remember a Bounty Killer all beat. Say the girl them all a feed it. Yeah, that rhythm there. And you know we start DJ from that day there. Mess with that rhythm there and always I try to compete with each other and yeah, it's like we want to clash. Yeah. So him a drop word and me a drop word. So from this on now with us develop a little vibes thing. Yeah, and from this on we get the love for music.
It's now evident. Everybody that's a Montego Bay have the new vibes, the new energy. What's causing that emerge of new vibes and energy to dancehall and reggae coming from Montego Bay? What they cause that?
We get a dose of the medicine, you know what I mean? Yeah, we come up with this something named dancehall track. Put it away, you see like how Alkaline thief the formula from Kartel. Look like when him come down and drop out of his pocket. Yeah, so we find the formula. It'll work for it. Yeah.
Where do you see yourself the next 5 years from now?
5 years from now, travel the world. I want to do it big. I want to take on some of them big shows, you know what I mean? Africa, them places. Yeah.
What do you have to say to your naysayers? Jamaican call them bad mind.
Alright. Yes, if you all have a bad mind, thank you. I love you the same way. You know what I mean? The more we fight, the more we get stronger. Yeah, so you see if you don't like the thing, you can unlike the thing and still the same views. So just big up on yourself, I love on the same way.
You are an artist that paints vivid pictures with words and melodies. Where do you draw that inspiration from?
I draw inspiration from. I listen to every kind of music. Something different, outside the box. I don't really just stick to one genre of music. I want to try everything and listen to what different artists have to say. Alright, for example, as a youth growing, my favorite rapper in rap music was the Notorious B.I.G. It was just something about that brother the way how him tell him stories. You know what I mean? I always say, anyhow I start do this thing the right way, I want to be a storyteller. That's why my music kind of different. You ever hear them say, see it with your ears and not your eyes?
Yeah.
Yeah. Someone want everybody to remember Amacon. Alcohol got away in my head. Girl, I'm feeling your skin. But I'm freeing your friend. She's sexually whining on me.
What advice would you give to someone who is trying to make it in the music industry?
Right, my advice to any upcoming artist right now, you just give it your best. If you have a dream, don't give up. Yeah man, just give it all you can. Cause I mean, and I like one time when music did hard, you know, you have a whole heap of ways now to get your thing out there. Social media for one. You know, all it takes is support, perseverance. Yeah, nobody tell us that you know sound good and you know this and you know that. Believe in yourself and from you believe anything possible.
What does Montego Bay need to do to ensure that people realize this is not just a phase, this is a new vibes and it is here to stay for a long time?
We don't need no fighting. One man a fight out this a man and say, oh, we don't want him make it. And them boy they are this and them boy they are that. I mean, I want Moby. I want umbrella, man. Now the gateway open to Moby. May we put two little side of the island up there. You understand? So all we need is cooperation, man. We just work together. You see, even if we don't like some boy, you just have to just bury your differences and know, say, watch you know, a music we do. Otherwise out there a different thing, but a music, you know. Yeah.
Amacon, your fan base is steadily growing. What do you think contribute to that? What is the cause of that?
We give people things to think about and things to listen. You know what I mean? We don't really get up and sing foolishness. When you put love in your thing, you know, love have to come out. It's just like cooking. You know, if no love no in your cooking, the food not taste good. Hear this now. Turn it up, go and play this loud.
Name some of the music production companies that you've been working with so far.
Alright, well, we record for Ultimate Street Team. Matic, big up yourself. Show the vibe. Records, Chilando, big up yourself. You know what I mean? Record for Pasco, So Far Records. You know what I mean? And right now, I record for a youth named Stubborn God. Yeah, I even do the weed song for the song we name High, Medicine Love.
These production companies that you speak of, are they all based in Montego Bay or from various parts of Jamaica?
Alright, well, a couple of them based in Montego Bay. Apart from Stubborn Gun, which is originally from the Kingston area. You know what I mean? On a Consequence side there, so yeah, them youth there. Big up the great True Blue. You know what I mean? One of the great producers them of all times, you know. R.I.P. my brother. Yeah, man, we record a very good song for True Blue. Same way.
Alright, I can see that you are a laid-back person. Do you take the same approach during a recording session while you're making a song? Explain what the process is like.
We're going to booth a different thing. You know, outside, relax and calm, but we're going to booth a different thing, different settings. We're going there energy, everything I pump, you know what I mean?
Are you currently signed to a recording label?
Alright, currently we're just working with a few. We're not signed to nobody yet. We have a group right now named Out of Many, where they really give you a serious strength right now, yeah. So Jabby, just big up yourself, yeah?
Can we expect an album, EP or mixtape soon?
Yeah, we have a mixtape coming out soon, but we don't really want to give out too much information. You know what I mean?
What do you have to say to your ever-growing fan base?
Just continue to like, share the music, you know. Tell a friend to share, you know what I mean? And Amacon always appreciate and give thanks. I love you 100%.
What is your type of woman?
What kind of woman I like? I like all type of woman. Big, fat, slim, maga. It just all depends on the personality of the person. You see, if you're full of vibes, you're good with me. You're good how you stay. That no means you're fake. You know what I mean? Just give you a little something to look for. Yeah. I will good there, so.
You know, every artist has an ego, and sometimes the ego may rub people the wrong way and it gives a negative impression. What do you do to control your ego so it doesn't give people the wrong impression?
Keep quiet, that's it. That me do to control my ego, just keep quiet. Always know for what I want. You see, sometimes before you do things, you just stop and think about it.
Which recording artist would you like to collaborate with?
One of the all-time favorites, you know? Rodney Price, aka Bounty Killer. Apart from Vybz Kartel, Rodney Price are my Jenna, you know? Yeah, man. my DJ that.
Have you ever done any collaborations with an artist that is also from Montego Bay?
Well, yeah, I have a song with Kenny Merital. Well, a few songs with Kenny Merital. But one of the #1 songs right now is a song entitled All Night. Yeah, doing very well right now, so you can go on Instagram, YouTube, SoundCloud, all music platforms and check it out.
Are you booked for any upcoming shows?
We have a couple shows lined up for the coming months, but we can't really discuss that right now still. I mean, you know, we want to try to keep everything together until certain things kind of jump out the box. But you don't know wet dreams we go there. You know what I mean? Our catching all, that's how we go there, but we're not too chatty.
See. When I say over catching all this, what it really mean?
The big place there, man, but we're not too chatty.
The annual show there?
Yeah, just read between the line.
Alright.
Amacon, we see how the light are shine.
How important are these vloggers, YouTube reviewers and vloggers? What significant role they play in dancehall?
Them help to boost up the whole hype behind your thing. For example, you know, look for a rapper crapper now. So a rapper crapper say, Amacon, you know. Amacon gone a road, you know what I mean? From Justin Blake say Amacon gone a road. There's no doubt about it. I mean, look for TEF and Nightly Flicks. From them jump up and say Amacon, you know, Amacon gone a lead. Ain't no doubt. So I mean, 100% big up to all our vloggers them. Amacon go no full respect, because without Uno, we couldn't do it with the same way. Although no full of mix up, we play a big part in the music society.
Everybody know this known stigma that surrounds Montego Bay. And you know the stereotype that comes with it. If you look a certain way, you drive a certain car, as far as I see it, they look like them think everybody from Montego Bay is a scammer.
Alright, yes. You have to know say Mobay have a whole heap of business opportunities. You know what I mean? A whole heap of young youth are be a millionaire. But how them become millionaires? Them see the business opportunity and grab on it. You know what I mean? So like how you have it in your mind, say them are this and them are that. You need to find a business opportunity and grab on to it too.
Stubborn God music. Well, hear this or no? Turn it up, go and play this loud. Amacon. What?
Driver pull over.
Well, this kind of love that I found for you. Nobody gets me the way you do. Sweet locomotion like boat on the ocean. Love you so much I'll go jail for you. Well, hear this or no? I'm singing about weed in a hand, one spliff in a mouth, and I'm spinning around and I'm skipping about. Good sense in me, I'm singing about, cause I'm over and over, like over and out. Yeah, them a steam when you see me come out. You can get a spliff out tight, but not a pull out tight. Good bag of weed and a feel me alone. Medicine love, good push me love. Trees make me frost out of any blunts. Good sense in me, you're indica sativa. Don't beg me none, I ain't giving you. Push thinking up, pink green with gum. Face off it kick out of any blunt. Medicine love, phone lock me out. Apple say I me, them a shop the cloud. Well, yeah, this I know. God damn it, this weed got this smell. Squaddy get a lead, but him need some intel. Spray out, man, done off a breeze and incense. Block out every window like Eurostar fence. But I'm still puffing this weed so intense. Yeah, them a blood like me need got it cleanse. Light it, puff it, repeat the sequence. I make the smoke cloud pon the ends. Medicine love, good push me love. Trees make me frost out of any blunts. Good sense in me, you're indica sativa. Don't beg me none, I ain't giving you. Push thinking up, pink green with gum. Face off it kick out of any blunt. Medicine love, phone lock me out. Apple say I me, them a shop the cloud. Well, yeah, this I know, I'm singing about weed in a hand, one spliff in a mouth, and I'm spinning around and I'm skipping about. Good sense in me, I'm singing about, cause I'm